Hi everyone, I'm Cody W3AMG with BridgeCom Systems, and today we're going to be showing you how to create a private channel with a friend's DMR ID. So the way this works is you basically put in your friend's DMR ID as a talk group, and they put in your ID as a talk group, and then after that you're able to talk to one another. So let's check it out. So I have a radio here. This one is set up as a different person here. So we'll go down and just show you that. Go to the settings, device info, there we go. That's the way it's set up. Now if I back out here, he has my ID programmed in as a talk group. Now we are going to do the same thing on our radio to make it work with him. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So we'll plug in our USB cable into our computer and into our radio. Awesome, there we go. Now over here on the computer, go ahead and open up your CPS. Now the first thing you want to do is read from your radio up here. Just read the other data. In this case, we've already done that, so I'm going to skip ahead. Now what I'm going to do is go down here to contact/talk group. Now we're going to create a new one, so go ahead and create a new one. Now in this case, we could give the name, in this case, we'll call it Lucas. That's the person we're talking to. You'll want to make this a private call. That's kind of the whole point here. And then we will actually need their DMR ID. Now, if you don't have it, you could easily go look it up in the database in radioid.net. Just punch in the call sign, you'll find it. In this case, we have the radio here, so I can look it up that way. So the number we're looking for is 3173759. Then just go ahead and click OK. Awesome, there we go. So we have our talk group created. Now go to your channels, and you'll want to actually create a channel for it. I have one here that's for the hotspot, so I can just copy this and duplicate it like that. Now I can just edit a little bit of information and go ahead and change your contact to that talk group we just created like that, and then click OK. Now the last thing we need to do is add this channel to a zone. So go here to your zones. You could create a new one, or in this case, I'm just going to add it to a zone I already have. Go ahead and double click on that, select your talk group, and add the zone. So that's our channel we've just added. Now at this point, all you need to do is write to your radio. So click on the write to radio button up top here. It's the one right there. And at this point, click OK, and go ahead and write the other data. There we go, write data complete. Awesome, there we go. So let's scroll until we find it. There it is, and I'm gonna key it up. This is Cody W3AMG testing 1, 2, 3. Awesome, how cool is that? So it's talking directly to this radio with a different person in that radio. And now let's check it, see if make sure it goes the other way. So we'll key up this radio. Testing 1, 2, 3, this is W3AMG. Awesome, how cool is that? So it's working both ways. We have basically created a private talk group or a private channel. The great part about this, doesn't matter if you're on a SkyBridge, a local repeater, whatever device you're on, you can be on the opposite side of the planet or in houses next door. It doesn't make a difference, it'll work just as well for you.